Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you a very lightweight trailer today that's got a lot of the things that people are looking for that you normally don't find in a small lightweight trailer. It's a Coachmen Apex. It's a 2020 215 RBK. So right off the bat, you notice the big front window does not open. You don't have to worry about it leaking and things like that, but it's an awesome skylight on the front that lets a lot of natural light on the inside, as you'll see when we go in there. Power tongue jack. This is not a nano if you've looked at any of the nanos, so it's built a little sturdier. It's a little heavier duty. It still only weighs 4,400 pounds, but you got a lot thicker of a cargo door and a little bit more storage up front. Solar prep on the outside, nice big power awning, but it's also got the frameless windows here. That's another upgrade that you get when you move above the nano. A lot of your bunkhouses in this size range, you'll see a lot more of the outdoor kitchens, but not a lot of the regular trailers, but this one gives you that. So it's a nice, pretty big size mini fridge. Here with an actual sink with a drain in it that'll drain out so you don't have to dump it out when it fills up with hot and cold water. You got a good amount of storage out here, and you have a grill that you can slide out here and you can cook right on top of that, which is pretty slick. Tandem axle. A lot of your 20-21 foot stuff is going to be single axle. A lot of the stuff that's going to weigh around that 4,000 pound range is going to be single axle. This has got 4 wheels on the ground at all times. And if you get a flat, you got 3 at least, right? So you got your queen bed up front. There's USB ports on either side of the bed. You'll see a lot of light in there because that front window is open, but if you want to close that off, you can close it off so you can sleep at night. You got a TV here that spins around, so when you go to bed, if you want to watch TV at night, you can do that. But also you can set it up here and angle it where you want to, where it's a good spot to sit. You have a U-shaped dinette or a booth style dinette. You have the option. It's kind of transferable. So you can sit people on either side here, or you can take this table, flip it around. It'll stick out a little further into your little hallway here, but you'll set that up in the back so you can sit people all the way around if you want to do that. But if it's just 2 of you, you know, you don't have to have that sticking out, and saves a little space there. Full kitchen set up here, nice big sink, extendable sprayer. You have the glass range cover on your stove over here as well. You got a spot for a set of knives, glass door in your oven. This all lights up LED. It's pretty sharp when it's all plugged in. 2-door fridge, so you get the separated freezer. Then you have a good amount of storage and pantry back here, as well as underneath the dinette, under the bed, in the little corner cabinets. There's a lot of little storage spots that they do. So whenever you do the outdoor kitchen, some people feel it's a little bit of a wasted space thing, that, you know, but it actually isn't, because it gives you a lot more space inside of here. There's always a storage set up on the inside on the other side of it, which is nice and deep inside of here, where in a small trailer storage is kind of prime. Then you have an actual real shower with glass doors instead of just a little tub or anything weird like that. It's not a wet bath where you gotta sit on the toilet and shower either. These do a couple different things that's not most manufacturers don't do, especially in the lightweight segments, is you got vacuum bonded roofs, so everything is completely sealed up top, and there's not really a lot of room for anything to get in. In the walls, they use Asdel as well, so kind of like the Lances and a couple other things that we carry, it can't delaminate on the outside. So if water gets in somehow, it's going to drain out. It can't damage it like it would with, you know, OSB, what most of your smooth-sided trailers are going to have out there. Tongue and groove plywood in the floor as well on all Coachmen products with solid surface countertops. So if you've been looking at a lot of trailers, you see that 80% of them probably have T-molding on them, and they kind of chip off over time sometimes. This is not going to happen on this because it's all one piece. A couple more things I'll show you on the outside real quick. Alright, so when you go around the back, you got your bumper here that you can store your sewer hose in, that we include on every deal as well. Now you have an extendable hose with hot and cold water on an outdoor shower here that locks in there. There's the Voyager Y-Sight technology, so you can sync up a backup camera in there if you want to do that. It's pretty easy without having to drill any holes or anything additional wiring in there. Your dump station's easy to get to. It's not buried under the slide like some of this stuff is. Spot for your 30 amp power cord, cable and satellite hookups, but you got your water connection all in the same area here, and the black tank flush, so you can flush fresh water through all your tanks and lines. Here's your slide out. And then you got your other side of your compartment here for your storage with your power cord and everything in there. All this is on magnetic catches. It's nice thick cargo door with a slam latch that uses the same key that your main door does, so you don't have 50 keys to carry around with this thing. Spare tire, they put it underneath in the front too, which is kind of nice, instead of sticking out on the back, which is kind of eyesore and also makes your unit a little bit longer than it needs to be. So there's a bunch of other stuff I want to show you on this unit, so give me a call. My number is 541-525 4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis from Guaranty RV. I'll talk to you soon.